Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 ways you can make money on YouTube. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your income, these tips will help you maximize your earnings. We're talking big money here, people, like enough to buy a lifetime supply of teacups, or maybe even a whole castle. First up, we're going to show you how to turn those views into cold, hard cash with YouTube's partner program. Then, get ready to level up your merch game, snag those sweet sponsorships, and unlock the secrets of Super Chat and Super Stickers. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be raking in the YouTube dough like the Mad Hatter at a tea party. So, grab your top hat, your best drink me potion, and let's get started. Alright, let's talk about the bread and butter of YouTube income ad revenue. See, when you join the YouTube Partner Program, you get to slap some ads on your videos. It's like magic. But instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, you're pulling dollar bills out of your computer screen. Now, to join this exclusive club, you gotta hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Don't worry, it sounds like a lot, but with awesome content and a little bit of Wonderland magic, you'll get there in no time. Once you're in, it's ad time, baby. YouTube's gonna hook you up with Google AdSense, which is like the fairy godmother of online advertising. They'll sprinkle their ad magic on your videos. And every time someone watches or clicks on an ad, boom, you get paid. But hold on, there's more. The amount of money you make depends on a few things. How many views you get, how long people watch the ads, and something called CPM, which stands for cost per meal. Basically, it's how much advertisers are willing to pay for 1,000 views. Now, CPM can be a fickle beast. It changes all the time, depending on things like your audience, your content, and what the White Rabbit's been up to lately. But don't stress, the more views you get, the more money you make. So how do you boost those views and become a YouTube millionaire? Well, you've got to create awesome content that people actually want to watch. Think funny skits, epic challenges, or maybe even a tour of your very own Wonderland. Remember, quality over quantity, my friends. It's better to have one amazing video that people watch all the way through than 100 boring ones that nobody cares about. Keep your content fresh, exciting, and engaging, and those views and those dollars will start rolling in. Don't forget to promote your videos on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Get your friends, family, and even the Cheshire Cat to share your videos and spread the word. And lastly, be patient. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't become an overnight sensation. Just keep creating awesome content, engaging with your audience, and those ad dollars will start adding up faster than you can say off with their heads. Alright, let's talk about sponsorships, the magical realm where brands throw money at you to promote their products. It's like finding a golden ticket, except instead of a chocolate factory, you get to partner with awesome companies and make bank. Now, before you go emailing every brand under the sun, listen up. The key to landing those sweet sponsorships is to find brands that align with your content and your audience. Think about it. If you're making videos about tea parties and talking rabbits, you probably don't want to partner with a company that sells chainsaws. Unless, of course, you're making a video about the Mad Hatter's very unfortunate gardening accident. Once you've identified some potential sponsors, it's time to craft the perfect pitch. Don't be shy. Tell them why your channel is amazing, how your audience would love their product, and how much money you think you can make them. Now, when it comes to sponsorships, transparency is key. You gotta let your audience know that the video is sponsored, but don't worry, it doesn't have to be boring. Get creative with your integrations, make them fun and engaging, and your audience won't even mind. Remember, sponsorships are all about building long-term relationships. So, over-deliver on your promises. Be easy to work with, and who knows, you might just find yourself swimming in a pool of sponsorship gold. But hold your horses, my friend. Don't just jump at the first sponsorship offer that comes your way. Do your research, make sure the brand is a good fit for your channel, and don't be afraid to negotiate your rates. And remember, always be upfront and honest with your audience about your sponsorships. They'll appreciate your transparency, and it will help you build trust and credibility. So go forth and conquer the world of sponsorships. With a little bit of creativity, a dash of charm, and a whole lot of hustle, you'll be raking in the big bucks in no time. All right, let's talk merch. You know those awesome t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases that all the cool kids are wearing? Well, guess what? You can make those too, and you can sell them to your loyal fans for a tidy profit. Think about it. Your fans already love your content, so why not give them a chance to wear their fandom on their sleeve? Literally, plus, who doesn't love a good piece of merch? It's like a wearable badge of honor, a symbol of their unwavering devotion to your channel. Now, before you go designing your own line of Drink Me potions, let's talk strategy. The key to successful merch is to create products that are not only high quality, but also relevant to your content and your audience. Don't just slap your logo on a generic t-shirt and call it a day. Think about what your fans would actually want to wear or use. Maybe it's a t-shirt with your catchphrase, a mug with your channel logo, or even a phone case with your face on it. Hey, if it works for me. Once you've got your designs down pat, it's time to find a platform to sell your wares. There are tons of options out there, from print-on-demand services like Printful and Teespring to setting up your own online store with Shopify. No matter which route you choose, make sure you promote your merch like crazy. Shout it from the rooftops, or at least from your YouTube channel. Feature it in your videos, create dedicated social media posts, and maybe even offer exclusive discounts to your most loyal fans. And remember, merch isn't just about making money, it's about building a brand. It's about creating a community around your content and giving your fans a tangible way to show their support. So get creative, have fun, and don't be afraid to experiment. With a little bit of effort, you'll be swimming in a sea of merch money in no time. Just try not to spend it all on teacups, okay? All right, folks, let's talk about channel memberships, the exclusive club for your most dedicated fans. It's like a backstage pass to your channel where your biggest supporters get access to exclusive content, perks, and a chance to connect with you on a deeper level. Now, channel memberships aren't for everyone, but if you've got a loyal following who's always clamoring for more, this could be a goldmine. Think about it. These are your superfans, the ones who watch every video, leave thoughtful comments, and would probably follow you down the rabbit hole without a second thought. So, how do you create a channel membership that's so enticing your fans would sell their Mad Hatter hats to join? Well, it all starts with offering exclusive perks that are actually valuable to your audience. Think behind-the-scenes content, early access to videos, exclusive live streams, custom badges and emojis, and maybe even a personalized shout-out from yours truly. The key is to make your members feel like they're part of an exclusive club, like they're getting something truly special that nobody else has access to. And don't forget about engagement. Channel memberships are a great way to build a stronger community around your content. Create a dedicated space for your members to connect with each other. Host exclusive Quanda sessions, and maybe even give them a sneak peek into your creative process. Remember, channel memberships are all about fostering a deeper connection with your most loyal fans. It's about rewarding them for their support and giving them a reason to stick around for the long haul. So, if you're looking for a way to monetize your channel beyond ads and sponsorships, channel memberships could be the answer. Just be sure to create a membership program that's truly valuable to your audience, and you'll be raking in the recurring revenue in no time. All right, let's talk about live streaming, the wild west of YouTube where anything can happen. But more importantly, let's talk about how to monetize those live streams with super chat and super stickers. Now, for those of you who haven't experienced the magic of super chat and super stickers, let me break it down for you. It's like a virtual tip jar. But instead of just throwing money at your screen, your viewers can actually highlight their messages in the chat and even send animated stickers. Think about it. During a live stream, the chat is where all the action is. It's where your viewers go to connect with each other, share their thoughts, and maybe even throw a few virtual tomatoes at the screen. Hey, it happens to the best of us. With Super Chat and Super Stickers, your viewers can make their messages stand out from the crowd. It's like giving them a megaphone, a chance to have their voices heard over the roar of the chat. Now, for creators, Super Chat and Super Stickers are a great way to monetize your live streams and interact with your audience in real time. You can thank your top supporters by name, answer their burning questions, and maybe even give them a shout out to their own channels. But hold on, there's more. Super Chat and Super Stickers aren't just about making money, they're about creating a more engaging and interactive experience for your viewers. It's about making them feel like they're part of the show, like their voices actually matter. So if you're looking to take your live streams to the next level and monetize your content in real time, Super Chat and Super Stickers are the way to go. Just be sure to set some ground rules for the chat, moderate it effectively, and always be respectful of your viewers. Remember, live streaming is all about building a community, having fun, and connecting with your audience in a more personal way. So let loose, be yourself, and let the Super Chat and Super Stickers roll in. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on how to grow your YouTube channel and make money online. See you in the next video, and remember, the journey to YouTube stardom is a lot like falling down the rabbit hole. It's unpredictable, a little bit crazy, and full of surprises. But with a little bit of creativity, a dash of madness, and a whole lot of hard work, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So go forth, my fellow YouTubers, and create content that's as curious, captivating, and utterly bonkers as Wonderland itself. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be sipping tea and sharing monetization tips in your very own YouTube castle.